Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace and remove the dust bag on DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, you should find the door right here. In my color, in the white color, these doors are like, let's say, cold gold color. You can open them by using this handle. Then you will find the dust bag here. To remove it, pull the tab, which you can locate right here, and well, it pulled itself all out, but typically it would close itself here so the dust doesn't fall out, and you can get rid of the bag, get another one, right? And now to put a new one in, you simply need to just slide it in like so, the same way as you would take it out. Okay, it's there. Put it in, close the door, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.